What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna do something to promote the brand, to promote YouTube, to promote me as a person. Now they always say to promote yourself you have to get yourself out there. You have to let the people see who you are and what you are and make it like a symbol of it. Now the best way to do this is to get something that people recognize and link to your YouTube or to the person that it is. For example, we all know how the McDonald's sign looks like. Even like with Monster Energy, we all know what the logo looks like. Now this is my logo. Now not many people may have seen this. It's on top of my banner on YouTube, it's at the end of my videos, but not many people see this because they click off the video at the end. Now to get this logo out there you have to put it on stuff. Now I could make t-shirts, I could make caps like this with the logo on it. All that stuff costs a lot of money. Now to get your brand out there without spending a lot of money, you have to improvise and be creative to make it less expensive but have the more effect that you want it. So today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get this brand out there. I'm gonna make a stencil out of this logo and spray paint it onto stuff. Now you can use this method of making stencils for everything. If you want to apply a logo on your car, on your motorcycle, on whatever you want, you can make it this way. So let's hop onto Photoshop and I'll show you how I made my stencil. To make the stencil, first we're gonna open up Photoshop. Okay, we're in Photoshop. Now we're gonna select our paper size. You go international paper and you go A4. Now first we have to do is change our canvas mode to landscape mode. This is portrait mode. To do this you go into images, you choose image rotation and you turn it 90 degrees. Now we're gonna load in our image of our logo that we're gonna make a stencil out of it, and go into the PNG files, and here it is, and we're gonna load it into this, then just apply it. Okay, now this is the logo. We're gonna make a stencil out of it. Now all these black parts we're gonna cut out. Now to make life more easier, we're gonna replace the black parts into line parts. To do this we're gonna make everything white. So we select our paint bucket, select the white color and just color it in until everything is gone. Now we cannot see anything yet, so to make our lines we're gonna go into effects. We're gonna apply a stroke and here it is. So you choose your color. Black is what I'm gonna print at, and I'm gonna print at 3 pixels. Now with these settings you can see the lines very clearly and it will be easy to cut out. Now to print this file we're just gonna save the file as a JPEG file. So we change it right here. We're gonna name it logo and just save it and save it again. Now we're gonna close this. No, we don't want to save it because we already saved it. Now we're just gonna print our file. Just go printing. And here it is, our printed logo. This is what we're gonna cut out. Now you cannot print this on normal paper. You have to have special kind of paper. I use a paper that is 160 grams. This makes the paper more rigid. It's more like, I guess it's called cardstock. I mainly use it to do pepakura. If you don't know what pepakura is, this is pepakura. This is the art of cutting out pieces of paper and folding them and gluing them together to make a 3D object, but maybe that's for another video. Now to cut up this logo and make a stencil out of it, you need 2 things. You're gonna need a X-Acto knife and a cutting surface. Now I'm gonna spend maybe about 20 minutes cutting this out, and then we're gonna go to spraying it on the surface that we want to and getting our logo out there and let other people see it. Okay, it's not my finest work, but it will do what it needs to do. Now, I forgot something to say when we're printing out the logo. You have to keep tabs on the sides so the middle part won't fall off, but you can edit it in Photoshop, but you can also just not cut them out all the way. So now we're gonna apply this to the object that we want the logo be sprayed on, and just spray it and see how it looks. I never tried this before. This is just an idea that I had and I just wanted to try it. So let's see how it goes, and maybe we can use this again. So here is the finished result. Now, I have to say, it's not as good as I want it to be. I rather have used black spray paint. The gold is not all that, as you can see from the S right here. It's not that clear. The E also not that clear. I have to say, maybe on a more even surface it would looks much more better, but it looks okay, you can say. So now you know how to make your own spray paint logo. Get your brand out there. Maybe get my brand out there if you want to spray paint my logo. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. Also subscribe to the channel. We post videos on Mondays and on Wednesdays. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter and on Instagram, and see you in the next one.